store, and they were all $1 each. So yeah. Alright guys, in today's Link by challenge, you can comment down below from a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you like the dollar store? I love the dollar store 20 on a scale of 1 to 10. So yeah. And then press the like button. And that is it guys, let's get straight on into the video. Alrighty, so first we have guys is this one. I made this one in a video. It was purple and blue fluffy slime, and I just put it together and made a swirl, and I made it into an iceberg slime. So that's why it's a bit dry, first of all, and also it doesn't fill up the container. So I'm gonna try and make it bigger and prettier. Yeah. Alright, so first guys, I think I'm gonna put some lotion in it because it's kind of dry. So we're gonna put some lotion. Alrighty. So guys, this is the lotion I use. It's cocoa butter skin lotion, and this is my favorite one from the dollar store. There's like a few there, like probably 5, but I like that one the most. It like gives it like a nice glossy texture. Although I will warn you guys, the lotions from the dollar stores aren't very effective with making slimes softer. I don't know if you guys get what I mean. I did a lotion test and they just weren't the best, but they're still pretty good. I like to use them for like glossiness and softness. Alrighty, so it seems like it's getting softer. Alrighty, so here's how it turned out. It's pretty glossy and it's very nice and soft. It's a lot stretchier, I don't know if you guys can tell. It's pretty good. Although I feel like we should add a little bit more, but I don't think we need more. I don't know, guys. I don't think I'm gonna add any more. It's pretty good like this. Alrighty, so what should I add next? I don't know. I have all this stuff. I have these little confetti things from the dollar store, but they're Christmas. How about we put these stars? They don't look too Christmassy. Alrighty, let's put these stars. Ooh, look at that. Actually looks really cool. I like these. And I don't really know what to do to make it bigger, guys, so I'm gonna add some of this foam soap. And we're gonna put some shaving cream, and maybe we can even make it back into a iceberg slime. And then we could do another makeover slime on it. Oh, whoa, that foam soap actually softened the slime more than the lotion. Alright, so here's how it turned out. It turned out a lot softer, so a little tip, guys. Apparently foam soap softens slime, so yeah. Well, the foam soap I used, which was this one right here, it was like one of the only ones there, and it actually is really, really nice. It's like pear scented. I don't like pears, but it smells really good. Alright, I'm gonna add some of this shaving cream. I like this one because it smells like raspberries, like this raspberry cream, and it smells really good, and I really like the smell, so yeah. Let's add that. Can we make this into a fluffy slime again, guys? Okay, there it is, guys. It's looking pretty good. All right, let's try and change the color. I'm gonna add some of this yellow paint from the dollar store. It's like finger paint apparently, so it's not the best, but it's good. All right, it's like pigmented. It kind of reminds me of like really weak food coloring. Alrighty, I think I like this color. It's kind of like a turquoise. Alrighty, and this is my new and improved slime, guys. I'm gonna add some more sparkles though. Alrighty, next we're gonna do, guys, is this one. I have a lot of blue slimes, and now I just look at this, all my slimes are blue. It has no scent. It's just a butter slime that is unactivated. So buttery, guys. Let me just go ahead and activate this really quick. Now let's change it. I'm gonna go ahead and try and make this one like purple. Hopefully we can do that. Ooh, since this is finger paint, can I make a face? Ta-da! Looks like the Kool-Aid Man, I just realized. I think I just drew the Kool-Aid Man, guys. Alrighty, so I'm hoping that this will turn into like a nice light pastel purple since it is like very weak paint. So yeah. Yay, you turn into a pastel purple. But it kind of looks gray and white. It kind of just looks like white. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add some more paint. This barely came with any red paint, and I need to use a lot for it to actually show. So I'm running out of the red paint. Ooh, this is looking good. Alrighty, I feel like I still need some more. Alright, so here's the slime, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and add some cherry cream because I kind of want to try and make it like a little bit fluffy, like light. Ooh, giving it like a very dense texture. I'm gonna add some more. Ooh, this turned out really cool. It turned into like a ice cream. It kind of, well, it didn't turn into ice cream, guys, but it like turned into like a texture of like ice cream. Okay, not a texture of ice cream, it looks like ice cream, guys, okay? Okay, I think I'm gonna add, I like it like this, but I think I'm gonna add some of these beads or some glitter, and I don't know what I should add. I think I'm gonna add these beads. Alrighty, let's mix that together. Hopefully it stays in. I'm hoping it stays in because this slime is kind of dry now because it's like, it has shaving cream in it. Yay, it stayed in, okay. This looks cool, I like it. Alrighty, I guess that is it for this slime. I like this slime a lot. I like it better than the other one. The other one, can't really do much with that one, but this one turned out very nice. Alrighty guys, here's the next one. It turned out pretty good, but now the Tide has separated from the glue. I don't know if you guys can see it. You see all that liquidy stuff? That's the Tide. And so it was really pretty. I liked it a lot, but that's what happened. Do you guys see that? Like, what the heck? And then we have this excess Tide. Everything went smoothly. The only problem was that the Tide and the Jot glue were not going together, so that's what happened. But here it is. It's very crunchy, so not very crunchy, just sizzly, so you guys can just go ahead and enjoy that. So that's that. We're done with that. So I'm thinking we should put some lotion in it to, you know, make it softer and stretchier. But I just remembered, we just found out that foam soap does a pretty good job too, so I'm gonna try that out. Well, this foam soap does. Alrighty, let's see, guys. Let's test out our theory. Okay, well, it doesn't seem like it did much. It did make it less dry, I guess, so I guess it did something. Alright, I'm gonna try and add the rest of this foam soap. Alrighty, guys, here it is. It got stretchier and like less dry, definitely, but it's not really good. Alright, I think we might need to put lotion, but before we do that, I think we should add this liquid hand soap, just because I want to see if it will work, because sometimes soaps work, so we're gonna try it. And it's also really gooey. I don't know if you guys see that. Like, do you see how gooey it is? Here, I'll see if I can put it in my hand. Okay, it's not working. Work. Do you guys see how gooey it is? Look at it. It's like slime already. Look at that. It's like freaking slime. Okay, I don't know. That was just so crazy to me. All right, let's go ahead and squish that on there. I feel like this slime makeover is gonna turn into a slime destroyer. Alrighty guys, here it is. Still didn't really do that much, but I mean, it's stretchier now. So I guess I'll just, I'll add some baby oil gel. Maybe this will help it. This baby oil gel is not very oily, and I like it that way though, but maybe it will melt the slime. Guys, I think it's working. Guys, it's working. Well, that worked a lot better than anything I have tried out. So baby oil gel, guys, note to self, baby oil gel. This one right here, Angel of Mine. It actually smells really good. All right, well, that turned out pretty good. Alrighty, now it's really nice and droopy. I think it's time to add some foam beads. These ones are like very small, micro-ish, a little bit bigger than micro foam beads, so yeah. I am hoping that this works because I don't know the texture of this slime, and foam beads are gonna go together. Right, they go together, kinda. Now I'm gonna add some of these little cute snowflakes. I know it's Halloween, whoopsies. I know it's Halloween, guys, but they don't really have any Halloween confettis at the dollar store right now. I don't know why, because it's Halloween, but it's what I'm gonna have to stick with. They're so freaking cute. I love the confettis they have at the dollar store. Alrighty, well, I guess that's my slime. How about we add some more of these glitters, because it looks really cool. Yes. Wait a second, this is supposed to be a slime makeover. I'm supposed to change the color of this. Alrighty, what color should I change this to? How about we put yellow in it? Oh, but I like the color of this one. I think it looks cool. Okay, this is kind of a little bit too droopy. I think we need to dry it out a little bit. I'm gonna add some of this shaving cream because I don't know, I kind of want to. Alrighty, here's my slime. Ta-da! Honestly, I like it a lot better now. Alrighty guys, you guys got it. I love you guys for doing a part 2. I think I might want to get some more decorations in the dollar store because this is like nothing compared to what there was. Like there was googly eyes there, and googly eyes are expensive and they're only $1 at the dollar store, so yeah. Alright guys, that is it. Leave me so much and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!